Hey guys! Today we're making the most incredible coffee cream mousse, a dessert that's going to steal your whole family's heart. It comes together fast, like 15 minutes fast, but tastes like something straight out of a fancy coffee shop. All the exact ingredients and steps are in the description below. Let's get into it! Let's start with the coffee base. Whisk together instant coffee, sugar and cold water until smooth. Now we're going to whip this mixture with a mixer or a blender with a whisk attachment until it turns into a light, fluffy mousse. You'll know it's ready when it looks airy and thick. Set that aside and let's move on to the cream. Whip heavy cream, 33% fat, until it reaches soft peaks. Add sweetened condensed milk to the cream and gently fold it in. By the way, where are you guys watching from? I'm here in Florida. Drop a comment and let me know what country or city you're watching from. I'd love to know. Now here's the fun part. We're combining our coffee mixture with the whipped cream. Mix until it's smooth and fully combined. Transfer everything into a piping bag and now we're ready to build our dessert. First layer, mousse. Then a layer of crushed chocolate cookies, about 1 centimeter thick so you really get that crunch in every bite. And one more layer of mousse on top. Finish it off with some grated or finely chopped dark chocolate on top. And that's it! Our silky smooth coffee cream mousse is ready. Such a simple recipe for such an impressive result. By the way, this recipe makes way more than just the 2 big glasses you see in the video. With the leftover mixture, I also made 4 mini cups like these. So overall, you end up with about 500 milliliters of dessert. That's enough to make, say, 6 medium glasses at 100 milliliters each, or 12 mini cups. Just pick whatever size works best for you. Make sure to subscribe. I post new delicious recipes every week that you'll definitely want to try. See you in the next video!